Namaste, friends. Today I want to speak straight from my heart to yours on a topic that is very close to my profession and my soul, that is cancer pain. When we hear the word cancer, the first emotion that comes to our mind is fear. And more than cancer itself, people are actually afraid of the suffering, the unbearable pain that is often associated with the cancer. Families, I have seen that families whisper to each other if someone has cancer, then they say dard to sehna hi padega. But I want to begin this by breaking this myth right here. Cancer pain is not something that one has to suffer in silence. Cancer pain can be managed, and not just a little, it can be managed to the point where life once again feels livable, meaningful, and dignified. So, today I will talk you through what cancer pain really is, why it happens, how it affects not only the patients but how it affects the entire family, and how, with the right treatment and right support, it can be controlled. My request is simple. Please listen with your heart as well as your mind because one day this knowledge may bring relief to someone you love. See, cancer pain, there are many reasons for the cancer pain. Sometimes the tumor presses on the bones, nerves, or organs. Sometimes it spreads to the bones and creates deep, unbearable ache. Many times, the treatment itself, like surgery, chemo, and radiation, it leaves behind scars and nerve damage that leads to persistent discomfort and pain. And sometimes, even after cancer has been treated, the pain remains. But the truth is, whatever the cause, no pain is beyond the control. We may not always make it vanish completely, but we can always reduce it. I have seen patients who were bedridden because of pain. They now sit up, eat with their families, smile again, and once we started proper pain relief. And the pain here is not only physical pain, there is emotional and spiritual pain is also there in patients. पेशेंट्स टेल मी डॉक्टर मेरा शरीर तो दर्द कर रहा है लेकिन मेरे मन का दर्द और भी बड़ा है. They feel fear of future, sadness for their children, guilt that they are becoming a burden, and sometimes even anger. Anger at the fate, anger at their life, anger at themselves. And this emotional pain makes the physical pain even sharper. That is why when we treat cancer pain, we never look only at the body. We look at the whole person, the body, the mind, heart, and the spirit of the person. Pain affects every corner of the life. It makes walking, eating, or even turning in the bed difficult. Nights become sleepless, days become endless. The patient feels helpless. And not only the patient, the entire family suffers silently. I remember a daughter once told me, डॉक्टर पापा कराते रहते हैं और उनकी हर कराहट हम सबका दिल तोड़ देती है. This is the truth. Cancer pain never belongs to one person. It belongs to the whole family. The whole family suffer. But unfortunately, we see many myths prevent people from seeking relief for the pain. Some think this pain is natural and must be tolerated. Some fear strong medications like morphine, believing that they will cause addiction. But let me tell you with full honesty, when the morphine is given under medical supervision, morphine is never dangerous. It is life-changing. Addiction is extremely rare in cancer patient who genuinely needs it. What happens instead is the opposite. A man who is lying curled up in agony suddenly sits up, talks, eats, and smiles. His wife, who is wiping his tears at night, suddenly breathes with relief. This is the real magic of pain relief. Treating pain is not a luxury, it's a human right. Now, let me share how we manage cancer pain. We always start simple with safe medicines like paracetamol. If the pain is stronger, we move to slightly stronger drugs. If the pain is more severe, we do not hesitate to use morphine or similar medicines, always in controlled doses. Alongside medicines, we use other methods like physiotherapy, gentle massage, warm compresses, breathing exercises, meditation, and even music. Sometimes, when the patient is restless at night, a simple song by his wife makes like therapy. This shows us that healing is not only in tablets, it is also in love, in presence, and in touch. Family has irreplaceable role in such patients. Medicines can calm the body, but love calms the soul. Many times when the patient says, मुझे दर्द कम हो गया है, it is not only because of the pill, but because their son sat next to them, holding their hand, because their granddaughter came running and hugged them, because their spouse whispered softly, मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. Caregivers, remember this. Your presence is always a medicine for the cancer pain patient. I remember a story of one of my patients who was a middle-aged man with advanced cancer. When he first came to me, his body was twisted in pain. His eyes were hollow and he said, "Doctor, मुझे मरना है. मैं और बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता. बस मुझे मरना है." We started him on pain relief. And within a week, his pain reduced. He slept better and he told me, अब मैं मरना नहीं चाहता. अब मैं अपने बच्चों के साथ थोड़ा और रहना चाहता हूँ. Friends, that is the power of controlling cancer pain. It does not reduce suffering, it gives back the desire to live. So, my dear friends, if your loved one is living with cancer pain, please remember you do not have to hide it. You do not have to suffer it. Speak about it. Tell your doctor. Ask for help. Do not let myth and fear stop you. Cancer pain can be controlled and life can be lived with dignity. Before I close, I want to say one line that stays with me always. दर्द को सहना ज़रूरी नहीं, उसे समझना और काम करना ज़रूरी है. Pain is not meant to be endured in silence. It is to be understood and eased. Thank you for giving me your time today. If you found this talk helpful, please share it with others, because somewhere out there is a patient crying in pain who needs to know what relief is possible. And if you are a caregiver listening to me, remember your love, your touch, your words are as powerful as medicine. Together we can make cancer pain less frightening and life more peaceful. Thank you.